everyone, and welcome back to Wanderlust Keva. For those who don't know me, I love to travel. Cruises are one of my favorite types of travel, and as you know, I'm a Carnival Cruise specialist. So I always go and give tips, advice, recommendations in terms of your Carnival cruises so that you know what to do when you go on your next cruise. So this video is going to be about all the fun and super cool activities that you can do while on your Carnival cruise. So let's get to it. So one of the things that you can do is go to Waterworks. It's basically like a cruise water park. You can go on all the nice wet rides that's hundreds of feet up in the air. You can go on the slides, and you can just have a lot of fun if you feel like just going out and catching some sun but still getting wet at the same time. It's depending on which cruise you're on. There are several pools that's on a ship, and you can go to either one of them depending on if you want a more fun and spunky area. Versus if you want more of a chill, more quiet area with no kids, you also have that section as well. Now, if you're a fan like me, I love Family Feud. You aren't able to find this on all ships, but there is Family Feud on several ships.
Double points up for grabs, still anybody's game. Good luck to the pair of you. We surveyed 100 people. The top 5 answers are on the board. We asked, name something you won't stop doing even if the phone rings. Steph, eating. Show me eating. It's something on the top answer. Kitty?
Sleeping.
Sleeping. Show me sleeping. Not there. Steph, pass or play? They're gonna play. Katie, head on over to the family.
And you will be able to have lots of fun. They usually pick 2 families or 2 groups of people that's interested. It's really fun. It's really good to watch in person, and I never miss it on any cruise that I go on that does have the Family Feud. Now, there are at least about 8 to maybe about 10 different cruises that has the Family Feud. The Celebration, the Legend, the Jubilee, Panorama, Mardi Gras, and the Vista. Family Feud is actually going to be coming on soon, some of the other ships, so look forward to that definitely. They also have another game show that's on board, which is Deal or No Deal.
$3.
Okay, that's a good one. And it's really fun to watch, and you will love it. It's really exciting. You may even get chosen to come on stage. There's so much different activities you can do on board. A few other things that you can do on board would be to go to the IMAX theater. Sometimes they have movies that's outside in the nighttime that you can go and just hang out and watch a movie. But you also have the casino. You have the nightclubs. You have the different bars. You also have many different spas that you can go to. Another one of my favorites would be the Punchliner. It's a comedy show.
We don't like your blurry pictures. All right, now you guys come stand here. I need to be in the image, so you stand there and take a video of this. But first, before you get to the joke, how long have you guys been together?
7 years.
7 years. All right, all right. You never thought of marrying the girl? She looks good. Oh yeah, of course, of course. I'll just.
You have them going on in the evening time. On the hour, there's a lot of different shows that you can see, some kid friendly, some adults only, but listen, you're gonna enjoy your time and you're gonna laugh your head off. It's extremely funny and I never miss it. I go almost every night. You also have like cooking classes, you also have exercising classes. So there's also the sports square. That's where you can play like basketball, sometimes volleyball. You have miniature golf. Depending on which cruise you're on, there are also obstacle courses. There's sometimes ping pong. There's a jogging track. You have the little miniature golf section. And back to the basketball court, sports square. This section here is basically, yeah, fun activities. You get miniature golf, you get basketball. I think this turns into a volleyball court later. I forgot what you call this, with ping pong. The ultimate playground. There you have it. And then you get the ropes course up there. So this area is just full of activities that you can do no matter what type of person you are. You should be able to find something fun and cool to do in this particular area. Also, there's a lot of different fun activities for kids. They have different clubs. Depending on the kids' age, they get to go in those different clubs and do the different activities that they have settled just for them. So you don't have to worry if you are traveling with kids. What are the kids going to do? How am I going to get time? They also have periods where you can drop your kids off and pick them back up so that you can enjoy yourself also on the cruise. You also have several musicals that sometimes happen on board, which is really nice. So depending on which cruise you're on, you may be able to find a sky ride, which is like a bike that's up hundreds of feet in the air. Also the boat, which is like a roller coaster. Oh, there's the boat. This is what I was looking for. I said this is not on all cruises, but depending on which cruise you go on, you'll be able to find this. If you want to see more activities of what you can do on a cruise, simply just log into carnival.com and look up their onboard activities. They will also tell you which cruises that those activities are on. So I hope that this video was helpful and give you some ideas of some fun activities that you can do while on board. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Leave a comment in the comment section if I missed any of your favorites, and if I did mention your favorite, let me know what it is as well in the comment section. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and see you until next time. Bye.